Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I'm a content creator based here in Maryland. My goal with the channel is to be a resource to DevOps creative thought, tutorials behind the screen content, and honest podcasts. So if you are into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe to join the creative crew. It goes a long way towards supporting this channel, and it makes sure that you never miss out. Last year, I created Install Minikube in Windows 10 via Docker desktop radio. After 1 year, there are a lot of changes on Windows, Docker, and Minikube, such as if you want to install Docker desktop in your dev environment, and your company have more than 250 employees, or earn more than $10 million per year, you have to use paid subscription. So I created a video for installing Minikube with Hyper-V that's free. Hyper-V lets you run multiple operation systems as virtual machines on Windows. Today we are going to install Minikube in Windows 10 with Hyper-V. After you finish the video and exercise, you're able to quick install Minikube in your dev box in 5 minutes. All video ready to Markdown and access YAML files are on my GitHub. The links are below. Video topic is Precondition Check, enable Hyper-V, install Chocolatey, install and verify Minikube. First topic, Precondition Check. In hardware level, enable virtualization in BIOS is needed. This URL. The page has detail how to go into computer BIOS and turn on virtualization for world-known brand computer. And then log into my demo box, run system info command to show my Windows 10 version. This is my demo box. Run Windows PowerShell as administrator. Change the font size, make it easy to read. The Windows 10 of my demo box version is 10.0.19044. Make sure your Windows 10 version EQ2 or higher than the version. Switch back to my Markdown file. Also, Hyper-V is available Windows Enterprise, Pro, and Education Edition. I'll show how to check the Windows additional version. From Start menu, and then select this PC properties. There is your operation system addition information. Close the window. If your Windows operating system is not on the list, VirtualBox is another good candidate. I will show later how to switch Hyper-V to VirtualBox. Second topic, how to enable Hyper-V. First, open PowerShell console as administrator, and then run the highlighted command. Switch to my demo box. Select administrator means Windows PowerShell running in administrator mode. Paste the command, enter. Restart needed, so let me restart box. And then we move to the next topic, install Chocolatey. Chocolatey is a software management solution. Chocolatey is the same as NPM. If you're a UI developer, you will be familiar with that. Chocolatey is used to install Kubernetes command line interface and Minikube in my demo. The URL includes all details of installing Chocolatey. Install is simple. Open the command console as administrator and copy-paste to run the command. If your box had Chocolatey, please run Choco upgrade Chocolatey to upgrade Chocolatey itself to the latest version. Remote login to my demo box. I believe my box already have the Chocolatey installed. Let me check. Open Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Type in Choco command. Yes, my box already has Chocolatey, so upgrade to the latest version. Command is Choco upgrade Chocolatey. My Chocolatey is on the latest version, so no action needed. Latest topic for today, install and verify Minikube. Run command Choco install Kubernetes CLI. Kubernetes client interface install successfully, and then install Minikube. Command is Choco install Minikube. After install, we move to the verification part. First run command Minikube start equal to Hyper-V. That means Minikube select Hyper-V as driver. There's error because my previous used Docker as driver. If you run into same issue, use command minikube delete. Rerun the command again. Other scenario, if you use VirtualBox, there's a simple change. Change driver equal to VirtualBox. And then let me set the driver is Hyper-V as Minikube config. So we don't need to put additional driver command when the Minikube start in next time. Since the Minikube already started, let me check the Minikube component. All components are running. Minikube space dashboard is able to open the dashboard in your local box in browser. Dashboard is running in the browser. In the namespace, we select all namespace. Daemon side, deployment, pod, replica, all is green. There are no issue. Switch back to the markdown file. Related commands are in the markdown file. All topics are completed. Today I demoed how to install Minikube in Windows 10 with Hyper-V. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next time.